Ready to discover the hottest new community here in Franklin, Tennessee, where luxury meets convenience? Well, meet Poplar Farms. This is redefining upscale living with stunning homes, over 100 acres of green space, resort-style amenities, all at a price you won't believe. Let's dive into what makes this neighborhood a must-see for your next move. Take a look at these absolutely stunning rolling hills of Tennessee. Is one of the perks that you're going to be going ahead and getting when it comes to Poplar Farms. Like I mentioned to you, you're going to have over 100 acres of green space, which is absolutely phenomenal. Poplar Farms is located in Franklin, Tennessee. We are a moment away from Berry Farms and Cool Springs. We're only 20.4 miles away from downtown Nashville. Not to mention, we have easy access to Highway 65. So you got the ability to be in the rolling hills of Franklin, feel like you're in the country, but being able to jump quickly over to everything that is Franklin as a whole. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to give you a tour of this amazing community. We're going to walk through timeline-wise, prices, what the builders are going to be doing. Now, this is a master plan community being built by two different builders. You got Meritage Homes and you got Signature Homes, and both of them are doing two very different styles as well as two very different contracts to close. Today, we're going to be doing a tour of this amazing community. I get to take you along with me. Now, let's talk Poplar Farms as a whole first. This community is actually going to be going ahead and connecting all the way back to Murfreesboro Road. This is an 8-phase master plan community, and at the time of filming this, we are currently at the pre-sale phase of Poplar Farms. Now, like I mentioned, you have two different builders that are building in this community over here in Poplar Farms. You've got Meritage Homes, you've got Signature Homes, and both of those builders, like I mentioned to you, are doing very different styles of homes, floor plans, and overall what it looks like to go from contract to close. Meritage Homes is building 360 homes at Poplar Farms. Signature Homes is building 177 homes. Before we go into timeline, price, what it looks like contract to close, let's talk lifestyle here at Poplar Farms, because I'm excited. There's going to be some phenomenal things that definitely are family focused and some things that you don't want to go ahead and miss out on. Let's talk lifestyle here at Poplar Farms and what that looks like for you and your family. Now, there's some massive benefits in terms of lifestyle here at Poplar Farms. First, you are zoned for some of the best schools that Tennessee has to offer. You got Trinity Elementary, you've got Page Middle, Page High, and then on top of that, you're gonna be having over 100 acres of green space for your kids to be able to go out and play, for your dogs to run around. Heck, for you to go ahead and just throw a football with your mate and go ahead and get a good game in. But why are we standing right here where I'm at? Well, on top of all of that, you're going to have a brand new amenity center that's going to be here. You've got a resort style pool and cabana. You've got a fitness center, sidewalks for you to connect with your neighbors and the community. This is going to be a phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal neighborhood, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's go ahead and talk the difference between what Signature Homes is doing and what Meritage Homes is doing over here at Poplar Farms. Signature Homes is releasing brand new, never seen before floor plans, and I gotta share with you, as much as I wish that I could go ahead and release it here, I've had the chance to see them. They are absolutely stunning, but they've asked me until they release them not to go ahead and share it with you. So we're gonna go ahead and have to wait, but I promise you the moment that they go live, you will know about it. But what they're going ahead and doing is building a very custom style home, right? So perfect example, let's just say that you wanted to be relatively close to the amenity centers. You absolutely love the view of the rolling hills of Franklin. And you're like, John, that lot right there is the lot for me. So what you're going to be going ahead and doing is you're going to go ahead, you're going to pick your lot, pick your floor plan, and then the customization begins. You head over to the design studio, pick your finishes, and the moment all of that is done, Signature Homes begins to work on your stunning home and getting it ready for you to be able to move into. Now, floor plan wise, you're looking at it being roughly around 2,300 square feet up to 4,300 square feet. You've got a 2-car to 3-car garage option. Looking at 3 to 6 beds. You've got 2+ baths. I do want to share with you that Signature Homes is not going to start selling things until mid-January 2025, up to potentially February 2025. Now, I know the biggest question that you've got on your mind right now is, John, what are we talking about as far as price goes? Well, they've not released pricing quite yet. They're talking about going ahead and releasing it when they release the floor plans in January 2025. But I can share with you that they are going to be under $1 million to be able to be in the beautiful area of Franklin, as close to Berry Farms, as close to the Highway 65, and have some of the top-rated schools that we've got here in the state for under $1 million is unheard of. Now let's pop over to Meritage Homes, see exactly what they're doing. Let's talk what Meritage Homes is doing over here at Poplar Farms. Meritage Homes is going ahead and building a move-in ready home with designer curated finishes. Now, what does it mean to have a move-in ready home? Well, from the moment that you pick out your floor plan that you absolutely love and the lot, within 60 days, you can know that you're going to be moving into your absolutely stunning home. And not only that, though, you're going to have everything that you need. You're going to have those beautiful blinds. You're going to have your washer and dryer. You're going to have your refrigerator. You're going to have a tankless water heater. The whole goal is for you to be able to find the home that you love and within 60 days, be able to go ahead and move in. What makes that unique is that you're not having to go to a design studio. You're not having to worry about those additional design costs and going ahead and doing a custom home. You can know within 60 days of finding your beautiful home, you're going to be able to move in, get snuggly with the kids, get snuggly with a loved one, and call this your home. The beautiful thing about what Meritage Homes is doing is you pick the lot that you love, you pick the floor plan that you like, you pick the designer curated finishes that you absolutely love, and you can know within 60 days, you're able to walk into your beautiful home. There's no additional upgrade costs. There's no design studios that you're having to walk to. All you know is that I found the home that I love and I'm ready to get into it. Now, square feet wise, you're looking at 1,457 square feet up to 2,769 square feet. You've got 3 to 6 beds. You've got 2 to 4 baths. You got a 2-car garage, and I will let you know that Meritage Homes just released pricing, and you've got to hear exactly what they're pricing their homes at. They are starting at
$655,450.
Up to those upper $800,000, and to be able to get into Franklin for that price point is absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the beautiful things that Meritage Homes is doing with their homes and their designer curated finishes. Now, I do have to share with you one of the most unique experiences that I've had. Meritage Homes brought a select elite group of realtors into a room, and they literally asked us, John, what do your clients want in their home? When you take a look at what these homes have got in them, Meritage Homes scrapped what they had already come up with and went off exactly the feedback that we shared with them. Some of the feedback was things like, my clients want a gourmet chef's kitchen, cabinets to the ceiling. They want a gas stovetop range, fireplaces, 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors. And that's exactly what Meritage Homes did. They scrapped what they originally thought they were going to do, and rolled out exactly the feedback that we gave them. What you're going to notice when you walk these homes is they've got that front porch Tennessee style living that allows you to get to know your neighbors. You need a couple of eggs, you need some flour, some sugar. You've got the capacity to go ahead and do exactly that. If you're ready to find your dream home in Franklin's hottest new community, Poplar Farms, you're not going to want to wait. These homes are not going to last long. Reach out to me today for a private tour or more details on how you can make one of these stunning properties your own. My contact information is in the description below, and I personally answer every message or call. Let's connect and make the dream of moving to Poplar Farms a reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.